welcome back to Savvy Science. If you're new, that's great. Don't forget to do a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Today we're gonna melt or dissolve the shell off of the egg. We're gonna pour this in.
That's good.
There. And so yeah, and then you're gonna wait. As you can see, bubbles are on the eggs, and which is making them float. Wow. So we waited overnight. The eggs are a little bouncy. Like that.
What happened to the shells?
And the shells dissolved off of them. And this is some distilled water with food coloring, some just a little tiny bit of salt in this salty water, and some corn syrup.
Okay, now let's put an egg in each one.
Now we are
Carefully.
going to put an egg very carefully in each one. Now you can see here that this is floating super high, but this one kind of actually sunk, which is very interesting. So this egg is in distilled water with some food coloring. The other one right here in the middle is with some fairly salted water, and this one is in corn syrup. First, I'm gonna pull out this one very gentle. What the? It's so squishy. Then I'm gonna pull out this one. Well, that one grew a bunch. And it won't get out. It can't
Okay,
come out.
dump it like this into your hand above the sink.
It won't.
Here, put your hand out. Hands out over the sink. Both hands.
Okay. Come on, baby. Get out. Okay, and there we got a normal egg. So, we're gonna predict what happened to these eggs.
Okay, what happened?
So, first, this one shrunk a whole bunch and wrinkled up. No kidding.
Do you want to pop it?
Now we are going to pop that one and squeeze the yolk out of it. And then next one is this one. It grew and became blue. And there we got another yolk. I want to mix these two together, but this one's really hard. And then this one I'm not gonna pop. It stayed the same. As you can see, it's a little hard on the bottom still. And it's a little bouncy. Well, I hope you like the video. Try this if you want to. And if you liked it, hit the subscribe button or a thumbs up. See you back on Savvy Science.